Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 4th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Swift is gearing up for live trials of digital asset and currency transactions in 2025, marking a pivotal transition from prior experimental phases. Financial institutions from North America, Europe, and Asia will be part of this initiative, utilizing Swift's global platform for pilot transactions. The goal is to showcase the ability of financial institutions to conduct seamless transactions across various asset and currency types. Tom Schack, Swift's Chief Innovation Officer, highlighted the importance of integrating new forms of value with traditional money to drive global adoption. These trials will tackle the issue of disconnected digital platforms, which could hinder the widespread acceptance of digital assets. With 134 countries exploring central bank digital currencies and the tokenized assets market projected to hit $30 trillion by 2034, Swift's trials aim to bridge digital and traditional currency platforms, ensuring a unified system for cross-border transactions. Collaborations with institutions like the Hong Kong Monetary Authority and Banque de France on foreign exchange use cases are underway, marking a crucial step towards global interoperability for digital assets. Franklin Templeton is making waves with its recent application to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to launch a new exchange-traded fund, ETF, that will offer investors exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum. If approved, this ETF will be traded on the Chicago Board Options Exchange, with the Bank of New York Mellon managing the fund's custody, and Coinbase serving as the custodian for the digital assets. The ETF will track the CF Institutional Digital Asset Index, which monitors the market performance of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Investors can purchase shares in large increments, specifically in blocks of 50,000 shares, with the net asset value determining the share price. This move is a significant step in Franklin Templeton's expansion into the cryptocurrency market, as the firm already provides clients with exposure to spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. This announcement follows their recent collaboration with the Aptos Foundation to launch on-chain U.S. government money market funds, further demonstrating their commitment to integrating blockchain technology into traditional finance. Visa has unveiled the Visa Tokenized Asset Platform, or VTAP, designed to assist banks in issuing and managing fiat-backed tokens on blockchain networks. This innovative product will enable financial institutions to create tokens, with BBVA already testing the platform and planning live pilots on the Ethereum blockchain in 2025. VTAP aims to facilitate the integration of fiat currencies with blockchain technology, leveraging Visa's extensive network of over 15,000 financial institutions across more than 200 countries. The platform offers easy integration for banks to mint, burn, and transfer tokens with minimal technical requirements. It also supports programmability, allowing banks to use smart contracts for automating processes and enhancing financial workflows. Vanessa Colella, Visa's global head of innovation, emphasized the company's dedication to leading the digital payments industry and aiding banks in adopting blockchain technologies. BBVA's collaboration with Visa on VTAP marks a significant step in exploring tokenized solutions and expanding banking services. The article, Wrecked: Digital Danger, delves into the alarming rise of real-world violence linked to cryptocurrency wealth. It opens with the harrowing story of Nick Dracon, a crypto executive who, along with his family, was held at gunpoint and forced to transfer millions in digital assets, leading to the collapse of his empire. This incident underscores the dangerous intersection of digital wealth and physical threats, suggesting that anyone involved in crypto could become a target. The narrative continues with a series of violent crimes related to cryptocurrency, including a $700,000 robbery of Israeli tourists in Costa Rica by men posing as police, and a chilling abduction and murder of a foreigner in Ukraine over a modest Bitcoin holding. In Malaysia, a kidnapping operation demanding a $1.2 million ransom in cryptocurrency ended in a violent confrontation with law enforcement, resulting in multiple deaths. The article emphasizes that these incidents are not isolated, but part of a growing trend where digital fortunes attract a new breed of predators. It reflects on the historical context of crypto-related crimes, noting that threats have evolved from online extortion to real-world violence, as seen in past cases involving early Bitcoin pioneers. Ultimately, the piece warns that in the crypto landscape, the risks extend beyond financial loss to life-threatening situations, urging individuals to consider their physical security in this volatile environment. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. Stay informed and stay safe as you navigate the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered today. Join us next time for more updates and insights.